Just so that you all are aware, Clark's Barbershop was signed into an illegal sublet before we took ownership of Destin Health and Fitness. So in our building, you're not supposed to sublease to other third parties.
We've been working under the previous administration or owners for 2 years now, and a whole year under the new ownership. We had never knew about these provisions that they supposedly are saying that we cannot be in there. That comment implies that we enter knowingly in a legal lease. And we sat down with the previous owners and we put down a contract on paper, remodel the place. We've been working steady for 2 years without any problems.
So when we approached Clark's with this information, we tried to come to a compromise with them. We offered them $15,000 monetary compensation plus free rent in a newly renovated building over on 98 in Regatta Commons, which you guys all know is 98 frontage, right by Destin Commons, prime location.
They showed us a location and they offer us a credit towards the location. We went and saw it, and it's a nice place. Office space, doctors, attorneys. It has a second floor, has an elevator, a beautiful place, but just not right for a barbershop. It never was on paper, a text message. I never got that offer.
They were unwilling to move, unwilling to compromise, and so unfortunately...
And we were willing to compromise. It's just not by force. They had to give us something that it was fair, but we were willing to compromise.
Unfortunately, the situation has escalated to eviction at this point. We are big supporters of small business. We tried to do everything that we could do to help Clark's and their employees get into a new location. We didn't even have to do that. This was not our problem to begin with. We didn't send them into an illegal sublease, but we tried to go.
You took my money for a whole year and agree and honor our lease.
Go above and beyond and in good faith, make them that offer on multiple.
But they didn't go really above and beyond. Honestly, it was more of, this is the most I'll do for you. You take it or you lose any. Actually, he said, you'll lose everything and more. And a lot of things that I don't want to repeat because they were really offensive.
Occasions that was rejected, unfortunately. So our concern now is that, they're putting out a GoFundMe to try to raise funds for this move when it could have been handled already. So I would just caution any friends and family and members from giving this to this GoFundMe account. I mean, they're clearly wanting to use your money to fund this bad business.
So, I mean, that's kind of hurtful that she's going that route, just kind of telling people that investing or helping us because I did a bad deal, like I'm a bad business owner or I enter an illegal lease.
And I don't think that that's fair to you. I don't think that that's a good investment. And it's really unfortunate the situation has escalated to this. So,
well, somebody approached me and kind of told me that they weren't going to stop until they made me broke. And that's why I'm asking for your support on the GoFundMe. But the way that we've been treated and the way they have covered up our barbershop and obstruct our clients from being able to book, they took their chairs and our tables away from the hallway. That's just very degrading. I've never been talked in that way, and having to maintain my composure was very difficult. But at the end of the day, we don't wish any ill will on the owners or on the gym and the staff. We actually enjoy the time that we've been working out of there. And I have been approached by a lot of people. People have sent messages through Facebook, Instagram, and a lot of people understand our situation. And I, highly appreciate everything you guys have done for us.